Hi, it's Temi Tayo, and you're welcome to Smart Learn and Inform channel. If you've ever written a long sentence without knowing where to stop or how to use punctuation, you are not alone. So today, we are fixing a common grammar mistake. And what is that? Run-on sentences. What is a run-on sentence? Run-on a sentence happens when two or more complete thoughts are joined together without the correct punctuation or connecting words. Look at this example. I love writing. It helps me express myself. That expression is wrong. The correct expression should be, I love writing because it helps me express myself. You will see that the use of because, which is the coordinating conjunction, helps the sentence to appear correctly. So, how do we fix this run-on sentences challenge? We're going to use 3 ways to fix them. Fix 1. Use a period. How do you do that? You break the sentence into 2. Look at this, for example. She is my friend. She lives next door. That is wrong. The correct expression should be, she is my friend. Then a full stop, she lives next door. So the use of the full stop after she is my friend helps the sentence to appear correctly. Let's look at fix 2. Use a comma plus coordinating conjunction. Some of the coordinating conjunctions that we can use to fix this run-on sentence issue includes and, but, so. Look at this example. He was late, he missed the bus. That expression is wrong. The right expression should be, he was late, so he missed the bus. The use of comma with so after he was late helps the sentence to appear correctly. Fix 3. Use a semicolon. If the ideas are closely related, it is important for you to use a semicolon. Look at this example. I finished my homework, it was easy. That expression is wrong because there was no punctuation there. The right expression should be, I finished my homework, it was easy. So, semicolon is used after I finished my homework. So it makes the sentence correct. Now, let's do a practice together. You and I were going to fix this sentence. They went to the park, it was sunny. That expression, you and I know that it is wrong. Okay? Now, how do we fix it? Using any of the 3 fixes. You can fix this in 2 ways. Either like this. They went to the park because it was sunny. They went to the park because it was sunny. Or you can correct it in this way. They went to the park, a full stop, it was sunny. So either of the 2 ways can be used to fix this run-on a sentence problem.
Are you struggling with English, mathematics, or social studies? Do you need an expert guidance to master commerce and financial accounting? Look no further. Welcome to Mr. Smart E-Lesson. With my interactive Zoom class, you're going to gain clarity and confidence in your studies. Whether you are preparing for exams or just need an extra support, I've got you covered. Some of the subjects offered in Mr. Smart E-Lessons includes English language, mathematics, social studies, commerce, and financial accounting. So what are you waiting for? Join me every Thursday, Friday, and Saturday for engaging class tailored just for you. Book a spot today by sending a message to +234 803 361 3851. Let's make learning easy and fun.
we have seen ways we can fix run on a sentence challenge in order for us not to be making unnecessary mistake in our grammar usage. Was it helpful? Did you gain value from this video? If so, hit the like button and share with a friend. Don't forget to check the description for your free worksheet and helpful grammar tools. Subscribe to this channel and join me next week for another grammar fix made easy. I'll see you next week. Bye.